So in this video we are going to discuss the absorption and action spectrum. First thing we need to know that for photosynthesis process we need light. So we can say for the activation of the process of photosynthesis light is compulsory. Why? Because without light that's not possible. Even the word photo itself tells when you see the word photo which means light, you no matter what the synthesis mean, but photo, the first word is telling that photo means light or in the presence of light. So photosynthesis process which would be in the presence of light. Okay, first thing you need to know. Then these photosynthesis light and these all would be like present by the visible rays, like visible rays which you can see, which you can go through, visible rays, visible spectrum. So this is very easy. Now in these visible spectrum or visible rays which you can see have particular range, and that range is from 380 or 400, you can write any, but basically it's 380, but mostly you will see 400 because it's an appropriate word to use, I guess. And till what, till 750. Okay, so if I just make, first you will see here would be blue color, here would be another color which would be green, in the last you will see red color. So first is blue. I cannot literally color the complete, but I could show you a little. Here you will see green color, here you will see red color. So here you will see 750, here you will see 380. So what does this mean? And a very very important point, wherever you see the shorter wavelength, the smaller or the shorter wavelength, and there would be more, like greater or more the energy, greater the energy would be. Okay, shorter the wavelength, greater the energy. That's very very important. Then here you will see that if I say blue have the shorter wavelength, then this mean this must have a like more or the greater energy. So when we just talk about mobile phones, laptop, or the screen devices we use, we do say that it emits out blue light, and blue light is not really more effective to our eyes. Whereas when mobile system and these all devices system will get about red lights, and then they will like damage our eye, or not damage, but they can cause several problems. Whereas blue light also does, because using devices for long time is really harmful, and especially when you are sitting in a very dark, like when you close the light, you are sitting in the room silently and using that affects more as well. So this only shows that how many light would be absorbed in these all, and you can measure this by a device. So measured by a device which is known as spectrometer. The device or instrument which is used is the spectrophotometer. This should be very very much clear. So now we are going to start something new. Is these are the types, as we know, not types but two types of spectrum, which was basically a topic, but I don't think we'll complete in this video. But still, let's get started. So that device is spectrophotometer. So now let's get started with the absorption spectrum. So what does this mean? This basically I'm just telling in Urdu what does this mean. Not in Urdu but very in very easy word. So the range which could be absorbed or reflected, like as we know we have seven colors, which is not Vigyor, VIBGYOR. So which have the seven colors, seven: red, green, yellow, blue, violet, indigo, purple, these all. So what does this do? Basically absorb. This word means absorb, but that does not mean that it will only absorb. Whereas it could absorb, and the one which could be reflected, it would be also done in this absorption spectrum.